Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on importing automotive accessories into the USA. In this video, we'll be discussing the different regulations and requirements you need to be aware of, as well as providing some tips and advice on how to make the process as smooth as possible. Regulations and requirements. The first thing you need to know is that there are a number of regulations and requirements that you need to comply with when importing automotive accessories into the USA. These regulations are designed to protect consumers and ensure that the products you're importing are safe and meet all applicable standards. Some of the key regulations you need to be aware of include the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, FMVSS, the Consumer Product Safety Act, CPSA, the Hazardous Materials Transportation Act, HMTA. The FMVSS are a set of regulations that set forth safety standards for motor vehicles and their components. These standards cover a wide range of issues, including crashworthiness, emissions, and fuel economy. If you're importing automotive accessories that are intended for use on a motor vehicle, you need to make sure that they meet all applicable FMVSS requirements. The CPSA is a law that protects consumers from hazardous products. Under the CPSA, any product that is deemed to be a hazard to consumers can be recalled or even banned from the market. If you're importing automotive accessories that could pose a hazard to consumers, you need to make sure that you're aware of the CPSA requirements and that you're taking steps to ensure that your products are safe. The HMTA is a law that regulates the transportation of hazardous materials. This law applies to any product that is considered to be a hazardous material, including automotive accessories that contain flammable liquids or gases. If you're importing automotive accessories that contain hazardous materials, you need to make sure that you're aware of the HMTA requirements and that you're taking steps to comply with them. Tips and advice. In addition to being aware of the regulations and requirements, there are a few other things you can do to make the process of importing automotive accessories into the USA as smooth as possible. Work with a reputable importer. If you're not familiar with the import process, it's a good idea to work with a reputable importer who can help you navigate the regulations and requirements. A good importer will be able to help you find products that meet all applicable standards, and they'll also be able to help you with the shipping and customs clearance process. Do your research. Before you start importing automotive accessories, it's important to do your research and make sure that you understand the regulations and requirements. This will help you avoid any potential problems down the road. Be prepared for delays. The import process can sometimes be slow and complex, so it's important to be prepared for delays. If you're expecting your products to arrive quickly, you may be disappointed. Be patient. The import process can be frustrating at times, but it's important to be patient and persistent. If you follow the regulations and requirements, and you work with a reputable importer, you'll eventually be able to get your products into the USA. Importing automotive accessories into the USA can be a complex process, but it's definitely doable if you're aware of the regulations and requirements. By following the tips and advice in this video, you can make the process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. For more information on importing automotive accessories into the USA, please visit our website.